I wanted to make a thing and I didn't have the parts to do it. So using the parts I did have, I made them all fit together. And this took me like 12 hours or something ridiculous. I don't know, I started it days ago. I've been working on it every afternoon. Oh, that is nice. Come on. There you go. Yup. Okay. All that is to make it so that spins really fast when the pedals spin slow. Yeah. It's so silly how complicated it is inside this little blue piece of thing. Oh, that is so good. That's really good. I think it's 14 to 1, 15 to 1, something like that. Here's one of my crazy connections. Yep, that fits just perfectly in there. Okay, let's fill that with grease. And get it lined up. Okay. Wait, why is that sticking? Wait, what is going on? Oh. I got something in the gears, didn't I? Oh, damn it! Hey, look, it's not breaking!
Yay!
I just attached it to the boat with 3 bolts. I put on just some propeller I had.
Oh, it's working good.
And, oh, it seems to be working. We pedal a little faster. Not breaking. My tube here is a little bit bent, so it's wobbly, but it doesn't seem to be causing a problem at all. Yeah, we're going pretty good speed. This is with all you pigs on the boat too.
Oh no! And we're still zooming.
What speed are you on? Hold up a number. 4? Alright, we can keep up with 4.
We're so fast.
You also a little
If you could keep up with 5, I'd have to kick you guys off the boat.
We can just swim.
If I get close to the boat, I can catch myself.
Yeah, I can go this speed pretty easily.
Yeah, I know I can. Do this.
Oh, you wanna try some pedaling?
Hey, Jaimie.
Alright. Sit up my. Do you wanna do it with your hands or your
I do
feet?
it.
You're gonna eject yourself into the ocean
No.
and swim?
No.
You should do that.
Figure out how you wanna sit on me.
You should.
Alright.
Okay, push
Here,
you
let me
in.
put my feet back here so you can put your feet. Then just kind of squeeze yourself right there.
Well, maybe there's sharks. There could be sharks.
Boy, my feet got a lot smaller, didn't they? Yes, that's obviously not my feet. Alright, get going, man. Get some momentum. So I got this arranged so it's held on with 1 bolt. And then this one over here has got 2 bolts under there. Seems to be pretty stable. And, yeah, I just made a really simple thing so that can slide up or down. There's the propeller down there. The propeller's going like 15 times for every rotation up here. Yeah, I really like this back here because it makes it so I can just pull the thing up whenever I'm not using the propeller. This is about as loaded as I would ever have this boat with all 4. Oh God, look what this guy did to his shoulder. God, I can't believe he did that. Anyway, yeah, 4 kids plus me. What do you guys weigh? 200, 300 pounds? It's pretty easy to go. Steering still works fine. gotta finish the paint job, but I think I might go with pedals for a while. It's kind of nice not having all that extra stuff. The boat's definitely a lot lighter right now. Dude, you're actually moving us. We're going somewhere. How tired are you getting, Mr. Toothless?
Not very tired.
Not very tired?
Yeah, I'm tired.
You want to turn?
Yeah.
Comes out mighty easy. Still space to paddle over here. Yeah, I think this is really good. I'm gonna go park the boat.
Okay, you go park the boat.
I'll go park the boat.
We won't die.
I'm just gonna paddle it. This bearing's getting a little stiff. It's a plastic bearing that I made. Might need to put some grease in it. Didn't have any grease in it. I don't want to melt it. I just drove for a while. Alright, go to the house, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't get eaten by sharks, okay?
I will not get eaten by sharks.